And we are back, and now we're going to look at how do we deal with probabilities when we are dealing with multiple, why isn't it, doesn't like my, that's interesting. Let's see, does it work here? Oops, uh-oh, something's up. There we go, okay, see. It was just, something was not responding. Let me just erase. Uh-oh. The computer is slowing down. Okay, no, never mind. All right, here we go. Now we go. Mutually exclusive events. You know it's a live video. So how do we deal when we have some probabilities of multiple events occurring at essentially the same time? And the key thing here is the word mutually exclusive, meaning that they can't occur at the same time. So if this condition is met, and it's very important that we establish that this is in fact true, then we could utilize essentially this expression and simply add the probabilities of each event occurring. So what's an example of a mutually exclusive event? Let's discuss that. So mutually exclusive events are effectively events that cannot occur simultaneously. So for example, if I'm flipping a coin and I have tails and I have heads, if I'm flipping a coin, I can't simultaneously have, so I can't get a heads and tails simultaneously. Same thing if I were, again, using our example of cards, I cannot pull, for example, like a one, I can't pull effectively like a one of clubs and a two of clubs simultaneously. Now, the problem is, and when things get tricky, when they're not mutually exclusive, for example, when you have a deck of cards, right? And I'm going to say, what's the probability of pulling, a 2 and an even number? Well, the 2 is an even number, right? So that is not mutually exclusive. So we have to be careful. We have to see, are these truly mutually exclusive? Can they not occur simultaneously, or can they occur simultaneously? So we have to be really diligent when we read the problem to ensure that they're mutually exclusive. So let's look at an example. So what's the probability of pulling a red card, a club, or a 2 of spades? So probability of pulling a red card, we know that's a half. A club. So a club is, or a clover. A club is essentially a black card. There are 13 of them. So that probability, let's just potentially put in here already a fourth. So that's the probability of pulling a club. So a red card and a club are mutually exclusive. I can't pull a card that is simultaneously red and a club. Doesn't make sense. And we've got one more, or a 2 of spades. So 2 of spades is also not, again, it's not a club, and it's not red. So that would satisfy this. So 2 of spades is 1 out of 52, and we can find our probability. So that's effectively how we have to really think about, can I pull a card, or can I satisfy multiple expressions simultaneously by pulling one of these? So that is the kind of the determining factor of whether something is mutually exclusive or not. And in the next video, we're going to see an example of when things are not mutually exclusive and how we deal with that. So see you next video. Thanks. Bye.